Howdy. Well, here I am at the Port St. Lucie RC Club. Probably the greatest flying club I've ever seen, with a full fixed wing park, a racetrack, a crawler pit, and this, the best quad park I've ever seen. I love flying here. And today I'm maidening the iFlight Nazgul-Evoque 7. You may not have seen many of these yet because they're new from iFlight, and I am really looking forward to today's flight. I'll give you some statistics and data about the drone in a card on the side, but mostly it's going to be flying and just everything looking great in the goggles. That was really quick for the ringing. 7 satellites.
Turtle mode, that's never good.
Looking really great on the radio. Arming now. Wow, that's a lot of power. And here we go. Very easy launch. Oh, look how solid that video is in the goggles and how stable the 7-inch drone is right off the box. Let me give you a little tour of the PSL RC Club. I'm over here in the quad park, the drone park. You can see all the many obstacles and targets and things to fly through at various levels. You might not have seen all the ones in the trees, but they're all through the trees as well. Now behind me is the park for the fixed wing. And I'm going to stay on my side of the trees to stay out of their way. But isn't that a beautiful runway for fixed wings? And typically the quad guys, we stay north and they stay south. Now coming around here, this is the crawler pit, where people that like to crawl over things in that post-apocalypse era. And here is the racetrack, the dirt track for the race cars and the motorcycles. So that's the park. It's a great place to fly. And I am really happy with the initial maneuvering of this Nazgul-Evoque 7. Let's try a simple. Oh, look how smooth through the loop. Yes. And just an axial roll. Wow, nice. Now I'm flying this with a 2200 milliamp hour LiPo, and it's the only part of this that I'm not happy with. I have 4 of these LiPos. They're all the same size, and they're by Tattoo. And this is the only Tattoo battery I've ever had that I thought underperformed. But for what I'm flying right now, it's fine. All right. Now I'm down at 3.7. Let's see if I go down here, just take out the range a little bit. See how the video's doing. Oh, just great. Just great. Coming at treetop height. There you can see some more of the targets and obstacles inside the trees. Okay, that was a nice power loop. I didn't get quite far enough away without diving to get to the target, and I didn't want to dive at it. Let's try another one. Oh, can we get down? Can we get down? And through! And not pretty, but it counts. Okay. When I get a little more comfortable with the drone, I'll be a lot more aggressive with it. But for a maiden flight, I just want to see how it rings out. And I am happy with this. Now you might hear the sound of ducted electric motors because they're flying, as you might have seen in the video, a bunch of people flying over there on the fixed wing side. There's 5 minutes of flight time, 3.65. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. That's pilotage, that's not the drone, that's pilotage. And a front flip. Woo! All right. Very stable at slow flight too. And down. Well, what a nice maiden flight. How stable can a 7-inch quad be? Or any quad for that matter. Well, here she is, the iFlight Nazgul-Evoque F7. You'll see it's a dead cat configuration. The 04 VTX in it, ELRS. I am just really happy with this new drone. I am thinking that this is going to be a great quad, going to be very popular with people. If you want one, you can order them from iFlight. You might be able to find them some of the usual e-tailers here in the US. I think people who like to fly drones are going to want one of these. I'm glad I got mine. From Port St. Lucie RC Park, if you ever get out this way, come visit us.